Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about perspective and how to draw cities and streets in 3-point perspective. I'm going to explain you the basic rules for drawing a city view like this. So in the end of this video, you will have the concept of 3-point perspective in this kind of drawing. If you haven't seen it, I also have 2 other videos about drawing cities with a 1-point and 2-point perspective, which I will link down below. Before we dive in, I would like to talk about a very interesting side hustle you can start right from home with Printify. As artists and illustrators, we come to a point where we dream to create and sell products with our own design, but all the production and shipping side of this can quickly make us feel like it will be very hard and complicated, especially if we are working alone. But know that there are other ways. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows users to create, sell, and fulfill custom design products. For example, here is an Etsy shop that's made a lot of money selling simple t-shirts like this. And anyone can do this with your own design. That's the amazing part. All you do is create the design and prepare your online shop. Printify handles the production and shipping for you to your customers. Let me show you how you can do it. First, create your design. Use Canva or an AI design tool to create some cool designs. Register for a free account and explore their catalog of over 1,000 products, from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs and notebooks. They also offer some of the best prices in the market. Choose a product you would like to sell from their catalog and put your design on it. Connect your Printify store to platforms like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, or Amazon. When someone places an order, Printify handles production and shipping for you. You might want to give it a try. It's completely free anyway. You can sign up using the link in the description. Now let's jump back into cities in a 3-point perspective. So we've seen that 1-point perspective is used when we want to draw something we are directly facing. 2-point perspective is used when drawing something we are looking at its corner. And now with 3-point perspective, this is when we have 2 vanishing points on the horizon line and a 3rd vanishing point above or below. 3-point perspective is ideal for scenes where objects are seen from high or low angles. It is often used to emphasize dramatic angles and extreme foreshortening. With 3 vanishing points, you will create a unique and immersive view. And again, the best way to start learning perspective drawing is by learning how to draw boxes. So let me quickly show you how to do that. I first start by drawing the horizon line, then the 2 vanishing points on it. Then I place the 3rd one above or below the horizon. Then I trace the converging lines starting from each of the points until they meet. This will be the corner of my box. Now I trace the other converging lines to limit the sides, and each intersection will be another corner of the box. Now that I have the foundation lines, I can trace the outline of the box. And that's it. And buildings are just like boxes next to each other with different height and sizes. Now let's draw a city with a 3rd vanishing point above the horizon. All the rules are the same. I trace the converging lines and their intersection is the corner of the box. Then I trace some other buildings, then trees and details like windows. Keep in mind that the horizon line is your eye level. The first one we sketch is like a bird's eye view, as we are seeing the roofs. The second is a street view, as we are facing the first floors of the buildings, a very exaggerated one. And the last one is again a kind of bird's eye view, as we are facing the last floors of the buildings. I think the best way to make a nice drawing of a city with 3 vanishing points is either to make a complete bird's eye view with everything happening below the horizon, or to keep it balanced with the horizon in the middle. Now I'm going to draw a nice bird's eye view inspired by this image. But I will place the 3rd vanishing point really close so it will actually look very exaggerated. After tracing the horizon and vanishing point, I draw the converging lines to build the foundations. Keep in mind that when you know how to build the foundations of your drawing, and by foundation I mean placing in an accurate way the vanishing points and the horizon line, and of course adjusting the scale of the objects, you will be able to draw any complex cityscape. Just be mindful of your angles for the best results. And that's all. If you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love these other two about drawing cities in 1-point and 2-point perspective. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions, and see you in the next video. Bye!